All right, I learn something new every day on this show. Sometimes I didn't know I needed to learn it. Well, that's what happened when I learned some pantry organization tips when I met up with Krista Williams of Neatly Done. Check it out. It's new year, new you, time to get organized in your home. I'm with Krista from Neatly Done. We're organizing a pantry today, but first, put on the brakes. We don't want to pull everything out of there first, right? We got to have a plan.
Right, so the thing that most people make a mistake about is they try to just dive right into the project, but you need to have a plan first.
Okay.
Measure your space, decide what containers you're going to use and what items are going to be in the space. That's crucial before you even start. That's what we always do for every client that we attack.
And we don't want to go to Home Depot or Lowe's like 9 times, right? So
totally.
Make one trip, get what you need.
The plan eliminates the multiple trips and the back and forth and returning things, yes.
Now Monica's pulling things out of the pantry here.
She
is she going to be organizing them over here? How are we going to go through these, and what's the best way to start kind of putting things together?
So the first thing we do is what Monica's doing. We pull everything out of the pantry and we wipe down the shelves, get it all clean, because it's a great time to clean out your space. And then we categorize and sort like items together. So she's going to start putting all the breakfast things together. She's going to put the snack things together, the produce together, etc.
So the cereal with the cereal with the oatmeal, the nuts with the pretzels and stuff like that.
Don't be mixing your chips and your cereals.
Don't want to mix up the condiments
Don't
or
mix
anything.
that.
Okay.
Okay. So then after you do that, then we'll go through and we'll decide what things we want to keep and what things we need to toss. So in a pantry space, a lot of that is expired items, food that's been stuck in the back that like you didn't even know was back there.
That jar of cans or cherries or something from like 2002.
Totally. Exactly. We have had that happen before, definitely. So then after you decide what we don't want and what we do want, then we're going to put the organizational systems back in. So that's what you've decided, the containers, what labels you're going to do. So we put all that back in, and then we can put the food back into the pantry organized, and then the last thing to do is maintain it.
And maintaining it can be one of the toughest things, but never fear, Krista has tips for that coming up in just a bit.